This is the dashboard in Prezi. Okay. Of course, it will show you your any Prezis you've made, or perhaps you are contributing on, or collaborating on. There's a couple of options here. I mean, you can change the language, of course. It's also where you can sign out from if you want to. But we are more interested in the settings for our Prezis. In particular, the set privacy one. This is the first one I would just pay attention to, just to double check that you haven't accidentally shared it with everyone, okay, on the web. But remember, they can only access it if they have the link or are searching for it, and somehow they come across the link, which is unlikely at the beginning anyway. So the default is this one. This just means that only people with the link can see it. It also does mean if they share the link with someone, they can still see it. Okay. So that was that. The other things are interesting here is the collaborators. You can add people to that. You've also got the share view link, which is pretty much what we just looked at, except with an additional bonus. Because, okay, let's have a look at the features for Prezi on the dashboard. So this is the dashboard in Prezi. So first of all, you can change your languages up here, if that's something you would like to do. It's also where you can sign out from or log out from. But we are more interested in this little guy. We're going to look at two things initially, which is the set privacy and the share link. So set privacy is, or gives you two options. So people that you share the link with can share it and also view it. Or you can just click this one, which means anyone can see it if they can find it on a search engine or they have the link. So I'm going to select this one. After you've done that, then you will need to go to Share View Link. So this is quite a cool feature actually. So of course, any program will create links for you, like Google, Office 365, if you want to share a document. So you can also put like a reference name. So I'm going to put it in school. And then after you've done that, I'm just going to ignore these two because first of all you have to upgrade. But I'm going to select Create Link. Now, what you do here is, of course, you copy and paste the link, send it in an email, embed it on your website, whatever. But if after some time you don't want people to view it anymore, just click Deactivate Link. And then, of course, that link is no longer active, so people can't watch or view your Prezi anymore. Okay. Now there are more features in here, such as export, of course, edit. You can add your collaborators. You can start, maybe if you have a lot of Prezis, you can start adding them to folders and organizing and so on. And then you've got your presenter modes as well. And they're a little bit more easy to use, but I just thought I'd point out those two privacy options there, which is set privacy, share view link. And then, of course, the deactivating link as well when you're done. All right. Thanks for watching.